My name is Susan, and I'm here to offer you top-notch data entry solutions tailored to your specific needs. With 4 years of experience in data entry, I have honed my skills to ensure accurate and timely data management. Whether it's entering data into spreadsheets, databases, or any other format, I can handle it with precision and attention to detail. My data entry services cover a wide range of tasks, including, but not limited to, data input and validation, creating and updating databases, data cleansing and formatting, copy and pasting data from various sources, organizing and managing large volumes of information, ensuring data security and confidentiality. So if you're ready to streamline your data entry processes and improve your overall efficiency, let's get started. Simply reach out to me with your project details, and I'll provide you with a customized plan and a competitive quote. Thank you for considering my data entry services. I look forward to working together and ensuring your data management needs are met with excellence. Let's make your data work for you. Contact me today and let's get started.